Now, one of the issues I've had with this machine is how slow it is to stop at slow speeds. So we're reading 350 revs. That's reasonable. But anything below 200, I've got 100 revs showing at the moment. And you can see it takes several revolutions to stop. And that's no good if you're tapping into a blind hole. You need the thing to stop. It does stop better if you use the forward reverse button. But from a safety point of view, I want to know that if I hit that, it's going to stop, and it doesn't. It's winter, and it's a little chilly out here, not too bad. It only takes 15 minutes to heat the thing up because it's reasonably well insulated. And I run a dehumidifier, and that keeps the moisture at bay. Sometimes it can take about 8 litres a day out. I don't have any problems with rust, and that's the most important thing. So we've got a new worktop, better than the ribbed worktop, much easier to clean. And we're now concentrating on building some racks to put the material in. Also been working on the stabilisation of the video. I hope you find that this is easier to watch. Time will tell. Ooh, just a bit of getting used to it. So this is a rack that's going to go behind there so that I can store up to 1 metre long material vertically. And then these 4 are going to have shelves on them so that it can go there and just behind the lathe. That's the rack done. So that's to store new stock. Generally I buy material in 1 metre lengths, and I can store 1 metre or 600 mil, so I can store both in there. And any of the small bits, I've got to find something to do with those. The other rack will be for the lighter material, slightly longer material, which will go behind the lathe. But that's got a whole bunch of stuff out the way off of the floor, which is always good. So we now got the material racks finished. This one goes all the way behind the lathe, bolted to the wall, only to stop it falling forward. All the load is taken directly through the frame and onto the floor, so it will take a reasonable amount of weight. And together with this one, that will suffice for all my material storage for the foreseeable future. Not much happening on the machines because it's too damn cold out here. The next thing I've got to do is make a new fixing plate for the top slide. Because this only has one fixing either end. I'm going to make a thicker piece out of cast iron with 4 bolts, and that will improve the rigidity of the top slide.